life insurance, just like annuities and long-term care. There's different types of life insurance. Also, we have term, which insures you for a short period of time. You get to pick the duration, 15, 20, 30 years. It's usually very affordable. That usually checks a box for, let's say you just got married and you need to cover your loan for your house or something like that. That kind of fits the need for that. There's also whole life insurance. So that lasts your whole life. You pay on it. It's usually a little bit more expensive, but the good thing about that is like I said before, it literally lasts your whole life. And then we also have dividend whole paying life policies, which I really like to use those when, especially for farmers, because they earn a dividend every single year, but it also grows a cash value. And a lot of my farmer clients or even business owners, they use that cash value as their bank. So now they're becoming their own banker. So instead of going to the bank and asking for an operating note that year that they may pay 10, 12% interest on, they just borrow it from their whole life insurance policy. They can pay it back. They can pay it back with interest if they choose to do so. It's a write-off if you set it up properly, they can write that off if the business owns it. So that's kind of that's a product or a type of policy that really works well for business owners. And at the end of the day, it also has its life insurance, right? It has a death benefit and usually a significant amount. So we also kind of utilize those a little bit too for legacy planning. So I just did this with a client of mine. The two boys farm and the daughter doesn't. So they're trying to plan their estate and right what is equal is not fair and what's fair isn't equal. So they're trying to use this life insurance policy. The daughter will get that and the boys get the farm. And they're trying to utilize it that way. They're also utilizing it as long-term care also. So if the parents ever do need long-term care, they can use the cash value in that as well to pay for that as well. So that specific type of policy, I guess that's what I do a lot of just because of where I live and the clientele that I deal with. But it just checks a lot of boxes for a lot of different things for those clients.